Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, so another video, another panty haul again. Okay, so I have here, ayan, tatlong kulay ni siya guys. Ito yung unang video, ito yung kasi anim yun eh. So this one is 3 only. Tapos tayong tatlo. So I have here, unahin natin ito. Skin tone siya guys. Good luck to me. Pero this is fit to me, okay? Ayan, so maganda siya. Look at this. Maganda siya guys, and then I am very happy with this kasi napaka-comfortable niya talaga isuot. Ayan. Ganito siya. Double din siya, and then look at this, ha? Okay. So ganyan. Pag ganyan siya guys, oh, pop. Papapak. Puno na ako ng panty guys. Oh my gosh. All my parcel things need to buy is always like bikini. Different kinds of bikini. So ito siya guys. So if anyone guys you want to sponsor, ayan, sponsor for my next bikini, you can it. Ito yung black. Parang maliit to. Parang this one is smaller. I will check. Free size daw to eh. This is free size. So, ayan. If you want guys to sponsor, send to my PayPal. Of course, you can message me also in my PayPal. Ayan. Like this. Or comment below anong kulay yung maganda sa akin. Okay? Pak. Ching. Black. So, the third one is ito. Garang green siya. Army green or what? Basta, this is green. Can you see guys? Can you see? It's green. Green ni siya. But, itong guys, green. So, naputol kasi yung video. Ayan. This is green. I hope. Parang maganda siya, no? Parang, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng green ni siya. Ayan. Ganda siya, no? Okay, let's try this na. The skin tone, may para kasi lang siya eh. Skin tone siya guys, to parang wala. But I have, ayan, ang cute niya guys. Maganda, very comfortable to wear. Tingnan nyo naman, very nice yung kanyang garter. Ayan, so it's nice. Ayan. So next naman is black. Let's proceed to the black. So guys, ito yung black. Black is beautiful talaga. Very nice. Ayan, very nice yung kulay black talaga. Kahit saan mo siya gagawin. It is nice also for here and yung skin tone ko. Maganda siya. Ayan. So, bagay lang siya guys. Ayan. So, maganda siya. I like it. I like the quality. Tapos yung fittings niya. Tama lang. Diba maganda siya guys? Comment below if what color do you like me to wear. Okay? So, ayan guys. The green. This is green ha? This is green pero para siyang black. Yeah, this is green guys. But I look like I feel like it's black in the camera. Ayan, yung green. Diba maganda siya guys? Green is beautiful. Green maganda also siya. Para siyang black sa camera. Parang iba yung pagka-green niya. But I really like it. Ayan. Yes, siya yung green. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment below kung nagustuhan mo ang video. Salamat.